Okay, are you ready for this? This is lesson number 9 from our beginning sign language class, and it is a big review. I am going to say the word and you try to sign it before I do, okay? There are a lot, so I will go fast. Get your fingers ready. A, an, and, animal, animal, R, A-R-E, R, B, the letter B, B, black, yes, black, blue, yes, blue, bowl, outline that bowl, bowl, bread, bread, slice it, bread, breakfast, a break in the fast, breakfast, brown, brown skin, brown, by, yes, just like that, by, the letter C, like so, cat, cat, cheese, grate it, yes, cheese, chicken, bird that pecks on the ground, chicken, chicken, chocolate, color, color, cow, cow, cup, like you're holding it, cup, the letter D as in dog, one finger's up, yes, good, dessert, dinner, I'm getting hungry, dinner, dinner, do, do, dog, slap and snap, drink, just like you're doing it, drink, the letter E as in elephant, E, eat, as in what you do when your belly growls when you talk about food. Eat, eat, eat. The past tense ending. Yes, throw your hand back. How about yeah, like that. Excuse, like excuse me. Excuse. The letter F as in fan. Yes, like that. Oops, no, like that. That's how you fan it. F. And favorite. Did you do this? Favorite. 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 Fish. Fish. Food. I gave that away a moment ago, right? Food. Food. Four. F-O-R. Four. Four. Fork. What you eat with a fork. Yes, like that. Fruit. Yes, fruit. A G, letter G. Just like that. Gray. Gray. Green. Yes, out here in front. Green. The letter H. H. Have. Have. High. Easy, huh? High. Horse. Like the ears of the H hand flapping down. Horse. Horse. The letter I. I. In. In. The present tense ending, the ing ending. That's with your Y hand palm in and move it down. Ing, ing, ing. What about is? Yes, I and an S. Is, and it. Just make sure that first finger's out so you can see it. It. And we have the letter J. J. And K. K. And where are we? Kitchen. Okay, hands around the room. Kitchen. Knife. Knife. The letter L. L. Like. Make sure your middle finger and your thumb touch. The other fingers stay extended. Like. Lot. Love. Like that. Lunch. M as in Mary. Yes, 3 fingers over your thumb. M. Me. Meat as in what you may or may not eat. Meat. Yes, meat. Like the meat of your palm right there. Meat. Milk. Yes, like you're milking a cow. Squeeze twice. Milk. Mouse. 1, 2. Mouse. My. The letter N as in Nancy. Yes, over the first 2 fingers are over your thumb for N as in Nancy. Name. I almost gave it away, didn't I? Did that help? Can you remember? Name. Name. Okay, we are on no. Yes, no. No. Not. N-O-T, not. Yes. Thumb under your chin, brush it out. Not. The letter O. We are on of. O-F, of, like that. Next we have orange. Squeeze twice, orange. The letter P. Upside down K. Next we have pasta. Pet. Pig. S, down and up. Pig. Pink. Pink. V hand, middle finger down your chin, down your lips. Pink for pink lips. Plate. As though your fingers are outlining it. Plate. Plate. I'm curling them a little. Plate. We have purple. It's the last P word. Purple. Yes, out here in front because we don't have purple skin or eyebrows or lips. Purple. And the letter Q. Upside down G. The letter R. Good. R. The letter S. Oh, wait, we have an R word. It is red. Good. Red lips. Red. Make sure your palm is in. Red. The letter S now. S. The S ending. If you want to make something plural or a verb conjugation. It's this S ending. Yes, take your thumb, throw it to the side of the same side. S ending, plural, verb conjugate. It is like milks, loves. Yes? Okay, good, good. Now we have salad. Yes, toss it. Salad, salad. Spoon. Like you're gonna scoop it in your fingers. Spoon. The letter T, as in Tom. T. Thumb is between your first finger and your middle. Tan. Like tan skin. Thank. 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 The. Two. T-O. Two. Yes, just flip your finger out. Two. Two. The letter U. Yes, the letter V. Like that. And vegetable. Vegetable. The letter W. W. Water. Water. Welcome. 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 What? What? The color white. White. With. With. The letter X. Like that. The letter Y. Like so. Yellow. Yes, just like that. Yes. Yes. Yes, like you're nodding your head. Yes. You. Like just like so. You. Your. Like that. Your. And last one is the letter Z. Yes, like so. Palm down, finger out into the side, the same side. Z. Good, good. Phew. How did you do? If you miss some, go back and practice, practice, practice. And if you got most of them, good job. Well done. See you in the next lesson, lesson number 10. We will learn how to count. Bye.